welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I am really excited about this product. I'm going to unbox it and then demo it for you. It's an ultrasonic cleaner. If you wear glasses like I do, you know they are impossible to keep clean, and I use those dumb cleaning cloths, and a lot of times it seems like they just smear stuff around. I do use soap and water. That seems to work, but sometimes that's just, I don't know. They're hard to keep clean, and so I'm excited to have this ultrasonic cleaner. You can see you use it on glasses and jewelry and stuff. It has a low noise level, ultrasonic, and one-click mode. And usually, every now and again, I would take my glasses to my optometrist, and he would take them in the back and clean them, and basically he's using an ultrasonic cleaner. Now, I'm sure his is much bigger than this one, but this had great reviews, and so I decided that I wanted to give it a try because I'm always looking for a better way to clean my glasses. You've got an instruction manual here, and then this is the unit itself. This is the power cord, and this is the unit. Get that out of the box. Basic power cord, pretty long power cord it looks like, so that's good. And then this is the unit. Now you can use this just with water. You can also put a drop of soap in there. Depending on what you're cleaning, there's different recommendations. But I have ordered some special cleaner to use specifically with glasses. And you can see it's got, let's set that down. This is your little filter basket, which I'm guessing goes in there for certain things. You probably put this in there and put your item on top of that. So that comes in there, and then you've got tweezers to get things in and out, especially if you're doing jewelry. And then you've got a nice cleaning cloth to dry stuff off afterwards. But a very simple stainless steel base with your max fill line there. You can see that, maximum fill line, and then your power button with your LED indicator. So just drop your glasses in there or whatever it is you're cleaning, push that power button, put the lid on it, and then it does its thing, and then it finishes up. Here's where the power cord plugs in, and on the bottom here, it just has some indicators about it. The DC level, it is 40 kilohertz is what it uses, 100% green. And yeah, that's it. This is ultrasonic cleaner. So now let's check it out in action with my glasses. Okay, so here we are with the ultrasonic cleaner, and I'm going to clean my glasses. Now, hopefully I'm going to try to focus in here so you can kind of see my glasses and see how dirty they are. Anyone who has glasses, you know they get dirty, they get smeared, and even when you use like the glass cleaning cloth, they don't get perfectly clean, and there's still smears and stuff. So that's what I'm going to be cleaning in this. And first I'm going to fill this up to that maximum line that you see there. And I am using this Ultrasonic jewelry and eyewear ultrasonic cleaning concentrate, so it's made specifically for using in these devices. And I'm going to fill it up with that mixture up to that max line there. And now I'm going to drop my glasses in there, and then I'm going to turn this on, and I'm going to, you can see that green light indicates that it's on. I'm going to put the lid on it, and I'm going to wait 3 minutes, and then I'm going to run it a second time because it runs 3 minutes at a time. But sometimes if you do 2 cleanings, a little bit better. So I'm going to do 2 cleanings just to make sure it gets really clean, and then we'll see how they look afterwards. So I finished the first cleaning, but what I realized is that I could have used, and probably should have used for these glasses, is this little plastic bin. This can keep something from having to sit directly down on the metal. So if you want to use that, they do provide that in there with you, for you, so that you can use that, and that kind of helps, can help if you don't want them to sit right down on the metal. I don't know that it matters or not, but they included it, so I thought I'd try it on the second time with that in there, just since it is there for you and it is usable. So now we're going to do the second set. So now they just finished up that second time, and after that is finished, you take them out. And now you are supposed to rinse them off with water, obviously, especially since I use that solution that has like a little bit of soap type of stuff in it. So now I'm going to go rinse these off with water. So I have rinsed these off with water, and you can see they're like crystal clear now. Of course, after you rinse them off, then you want to use a eyeglass cleaning cloth to wipe off the water, because if your water is anything like mine, it has a lot of calcium in it, and if it dries on there, it'll just leave calcium spots. But now that I've done that, I mean, hopefully you can see the difference between what these glasses look like now versus the smudges and smears and kind of collected grime they had on them before. It's like night and day. These are crystal clear, and that's exactly why I wanted an ultrasonic cleaner. More than anything else, it was for my glasses, because I can just throw these in there and do that like every couple of days now and keep them clean. So this ultrasonic cleaner is really, really an excellent product if you're looking for a way to keep glasses clean, and then you can also use it on jewelry and lots of different things. But for me, special glasses, you can't go wrong with this thing. It's really, really awesome, and definitely a product I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you don't know anyone to be interested in this product, share this video with them. All the videos are down there. I will have a link in the description below, both to this device on Amazon as well as the cleaner solution that I used, because it seems to work really well also. And yeah, don't forget to favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews, or subscribe to my channel, keep up with all my videos. And that's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.